tools, pieces. Everything's unpacked. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. Miss Callie and Gia. Miss Callie and Gia. The librarian in the know. The librarian in the know. Hi guys, if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you are a returner, thank you for coming back and joining me. I am Mrs. Callie and GA, the librarian in the know. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. So today, I just received from my bookkeeper, drum roll please, I guess it's a poster, my little poster stand or whatever. So I'm going to attempt to put it together. I'm trying to put it together quickly so that this isn't a painstakingly long video to watch. So here we go. Say we get this little fancy thing here. Maybe I should be further. So you can see the whole thing. Okay. Says 3/8 by 16-inch long screws. 2 socket head screws. I think I'm missing some. And then 4 little screws. Looks like it's supposed to be something else in here. Well, we're just going to skip that part because it clearly looks like I'm supposed to have something else. But this is what I'm working for this part. Okay, is it going to focus? Yes, down here. So I'm supposed to be, I have these 2 long screws. I don't know what these little things are. I don't have that. Oh, it says use care when putting them inside. So it's nothing to have. See, there you go. So if you're doing this and you get one from Office Depot, I'll link it in the description. Know that you're not looking for anything. This piece just says enter gently so you don't knock it out of place. Let's see. All right. So sorry, I'm calling out my library media assistant. Okay. Then it says grab one of the poles. Holes face inside. Sorry, hoes, you gotta go inside. That wasn't inappropriate. Okay, so they go at the top. There's a screw in here if you're looking, that I'm going to line up with the screws I just placed in. Remember, the holes go on the inside. I don't know how to expect this to work. They did. Okay, so you have to be incredibly strong to hold the pole up. Then you can see it goes in there. Okay. So it doesn't say, but I'm going to assume, because I'm not going to play special, is I'm supposed to screw this bit together. And I lost. Okay, here it is. Might be a blooper. Wait, I dropped it again. This is very indicative as to how goofy I am in real life. I'm telling you, this is just for real happening to me.
right. Oh my gosh. And I just said, was it holes? Yeah, holes on the inside for the. Okay, so I'm gonna secure this one, then I'm gonna go back and fix that one. Oh my gosh, I should have like a contest for you guys to comment. The first person to comment how many times I dropped this hex key. Like the first person that comments, I don't know, I have to find something. I might send you a set of hex keys. I don't know, something, because it's getting a little ridiculous now. You can't make this stuff up. This is why I was a little nervous about doing a YouTube video, because I am so clumsy and absent-minded, and I'm queen of Murphy's Law. Any and everything that can go wrong will go wrong. So y'all stick with me, and I keep doing videos like this. You're gonna see a lot of accident-prone stuff going on. And if you order this same thing from Office Depot, once I put it in the comments, under just the description rather, if you can put this together faster than I can, then power to you. I'm pretty sure if you guys get this or decide to put this thing together, you won't drop it as many, the hex cube, as many times as I did. Whew. All right. Got the legs together. Let's see. It's standing pretty good. Looks like it's going to be okay. I'm going to try to just move the camera. Okay, the next step is we have to, and look at the directions, only 2. Makes it like it's so easy, like, hey, do 1 and do 2. I don't know how that took me 12 minutes. All right, now we have to install the frame. There's no glass? How cheap is this? Office Depot, you can do better than this. There's no glass, so maybe, I don't know. I thought that the poster was going to be encased in glass. There's got to be glass. I'm going to check the box for some magical glass, because the box is empty, but I'm going to still double check because there's no way this thing came with no glass. Okay, so now we have to add 4 screws. Maybe the glass is going to come later. I don't know. Okay, note to self, this way it needs to be down, because so the poster don't fall out. The other side has a slit in it. So yeah, I just wanted David to get it from Walt because he wasn't doing anything. So yeah, so this will be the bottom, the part down here too, so the poster don't fall out. Look at us learning together. I totally thought it was gonna have glass. Who wants a poster machine? I mean, a poster display thing with no glass? Like, people can just reach in there and destroy the poster. Who wants that? I don't know, but
I have to talk to Office Depot about that. Maybe the glass would be sold separate or something. I just don't understand. Have you ever seen a poster display sign with no glass? I don't know. Maybe they took the glass in the front. I don't know.
If you do too, then we can just do it back and forth.
Okay. So I got the first piece in. It's secured. David's over here in the shop trying to mess it up. He's trying to make me not be great. I think he wants to break it before I can get it.
Oh, you were trying to.
So now I'm flipping it over to put the other 2 screws in. But I really still don't understand why there's no glass. But if we're being honest, this is the second time I've messed up with Office Depot. The first time I ordered these little display thingies, and I thought I was getting 8x11s, but I got a bunch of 5x7. I have 20 of them, and I kind of goofed that order up. Okay, so now we're putting in the last 2 small screws to secure the thing in. FYI, this thing is moving, so hopefully I don't slice my hand because it's kind of sharp. And I'm just holding on to the top piece with my hand. It's like this part here is pretty sharp, and I have to hold it in place, so and I am done. Alright. So I'm gonna put a poster in here to see if it works. I guess I need a better angle. I'm gonna move you guys this way. Okay. Okay, so this is it. There's no glass. Remember that if you order this from Office Depot, there's no glass. So kids can have at it. And if this poster fits ill, I'm going to... Oh my God. Well, this is a total... I don't understand how this is supposed to... I don't know how this is supposed to work. We're going to try one more poster. So we can see, I guess, if we need to make the poster bigger. This one's too big.
Okay.
Oh my God. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me and putting together the easel. I don't know. Maybe it can be like a hanging. In my head, this was so great, guys. It's like what I wanted versus what I got. So it is a beautiful stand. Let's not take away from the beauty of the stand. It's a beautiful stand. I just need to learn to look at dimensions because I have no idea how I'm going to problem solve this with no glass. And yeah, so I'm going to sit the poster right here. And if you guys have any suggestions, please put them in the description box. Leave a comment. Still like this video. And it's a great little stand to just... Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time on Miss Callie and GA, the librarian in the know. In this case, I didn't know. I was illy misinformed. But we got it together. That's the positive part.